And we are into February. Is that how you say it? How do you say it? Is it February or Febu?
February.
February.
Are we?
In the montage.
Oh, right.
No, it's definitely November now.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
What have you been doing today? We went to church this morning.
Yeah.
And then we have a cleaning party.
A cleaning party, yes.
This
we always
afternoon?
celebrate cleaning.
And what is happening in 4 days?
Somebody's got a birthday.
And how old am I turning?
15.
Oh, come on.
Plus 7.
22.
Very excited
I'm
about it. Been counting back the
22.
days. Haven't you?
Huh?
Been counting back the days since the last one.
Yes, I have a
Somebody always used to be
countdown
very amused as that.
app on my phone.
Mm.
Excuse me, can I sit down too?
I don't know, the bed might come out. Oh my gosh!
Hello.
Watch out! Watch out! Jeepers!
Push me up.
Turn it off. Over now. Oh, yay!
Whoopsies, this is my thumb.
I've got something to put my leg on. Yay. The other leg's stretching
Since
out.
when did I become a foot west? My foot west. Foot east.
Well, I ordered some price rackers. Put it on the list to go shopping with. Yeah. Price rackers, and I got some filtered coffee. No.
Grease fried.
Yeah, Drees fried. Yeah.
Ugh,
Drees
so annoying.
fried
I'm
frothy.
holding my phone with the left hand, and so my thumb keeps
With the
poking in
left
like this.
The heft gland.
Maybe I'll just reach. Okay.
Your
It's
arm
in the
has a
right hand
head.
now.
Your arm has a head.
What?
Look, in there.
This?
Yeah, in there. No, look at my head.
There.
It's coming out your arm.
Oh, this is what I deal with every day.
Ow.
Just waiting for my results. They come out on the 12th.
Takes ages, eh?
What?
Waiting for results. It's like, have I passed? But I know I have. But I'd like to know. But I'd like to see it on paper,
Hmm.
right? Rather on the screen. Do you get a paper copy as well in the mail?
They send a letter online, but no paper trails anymore.
That's pretty good, eh? Pretty efficient. I think that's what we do.
Have we talked about the earrings in this clip? I don't think we have.
Yes.
No, that was the last take. When you're tired, it takes lots of time to get takes right.
When I first got my ears pierced,
But
I'm sure that she made this one higher than that one. So when I've got dangly earrings, that one's down lower than that.
and I think that my right earlobe is bigger than my left one because this earring
How
fits
could that
fine
be?
and that one doesn't. You have to ask God. And then I'm pretty sure.
Don't you know what he says?
I'm pretty sure, and I don't know what you think, but I think my eyes are uneven, like wonky, like one's lower.
Is smaller.
No, one's lower than the other.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, they are too. How did I make that?
And what were you saying about when I was born?
Well, when you were
A day old or something?
When she was born, no, a minute old. One eye was closed and the other open, and she was pointing at me. Yeah, that's right. So I think the eye that was closed is the smaller one. I think.
This one?
Yeah, that's the one. It was always that one. So your left.
This?
Yeah,
My right.
your right eye.
Hmm.
Oh, have you been to my right eye? It's over the bridge from my left eye.
Oh gosh. Can you believe I live for this?
Oh, no, and I had to,
And then the annoying thing. What was that?
something fell down the bed.
The annoying thing
Hope
about
it wasn't a present. No, it wasn't.
the annoying thing
It was my
about having finished
hard, isn't it?
but not graduated is I don't know whether to start applying for jobs yet or not. I want to have a nice rest and go to Wellington, and everyone else is telling me that I should hurry up and get a job already. I mean, like, can't I even just relax till after my birthday? Are you okay?
Yep. Just laughing about that. I know I've been there the day after I finished I did my degree exam. 6 weeks later I did my state final nursing exam. And the next day I was very upset because I thought, I don't know what to do with myself. I need to do a crossword or something. But in all that time, in that 3 years, I'd been work.
4 years for me.
So you kind of feel really lost.
Yeah, after I finished, as well, you don't know because I haven't uploaded the blog yet, but I'm so embarrassed now. I filled a bowl with chocolate whip.
Oh, you
Like
spelled
chocolate
it.
whip. No, I filled a bowl
Oh, foldable.
with chocolate whipped cream and crushed up 6 Oreos. This is half a packet. And ate the entire thing.
And when was this?
This was right after I finished my final assignment. And then I
Yep.
had a bath and played some games and watched Call the Midwife. And I still don't know what to do with myself. I'm still getting up, having breakfast and watching Call the Midwife, doing something on my to-do list, which I have to make for myself, otherwise I'll go crazy. Crazy bored, that is. And then doing something on the list. Did I say doing and then doing? Yeah. Oh, whoops. Making the list and then doing something. And then having lunch and watching Call the Midwife until Mum comes home. So, yeah, I've been really just relaxing. But if you do have a degree and you finished it, what did you do after you finished? Did you know what to do with yourself? Did you work? Did you relax for a few days? Let us know. And, yes, it is 4 days until my birthday. So I'm very excited.
4 more sleeps.
Yay!
Yeah, it is 4 more sleeps.
Night of the 3rd, night of the 4th,
Oh,
night of the 5th,
today it is Sunday today. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
night of the 6th. Yeah, 4 sleeps. But yes, we shall go, and this has been fun.
Has.
Bye bye.